a 20 kg block is hanging in such a way and a 10 kg block is placed in an inclined plane, and both blocks are connected through a string and through a pulley. So pulley is connected to this inclined plane. This is pulley, and we need to find acceleration and tension. So first, to find acceleration, we will think about the force acting on this whole body system. On 20 kg block, the force of gravitational force due to gravitational acceleration, a force is acting in downward direction. Let it is F2. On this block, gravitational acceleration will act in downward, which is F1. Now, split this F1 in two components along perpendicular to the plane and parallel to the plane. Let represent perpendicular to the plane by Fy and parallel to plane with Fx. As we know this, that the downward, according to the third law of Newton, forces always take place in pair. So in Fy, in opposite direction, the force of normal will act. So Fn will act in upward direction. So how the body will shift? Either it can shift in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So the motion, if there is no frictional force, frictional coefficient of friction is given, which is 0.25. If there is no coefficient of friction, surface is smooth. In that case, Fx force is responsible for the movement of this block in anti-clockwise direction, and the force F2, which is acting on 20 kg block, will responsible for the movement in clockwise direction. So if we can draw it in a linear situation, so on this is 20 kg block and here is 10 kg block. 10 kg. On the 20 kg block, a force F2 is acting in clockwise direction and Fx is acting in anti-clockwise direction. This is F1. F1 not, it is Fx. Because this Fx force is responsible for the movement, for the slipping of the body. So now watch which force is stronger, because the direction of movement is depend upon the stronger force. So first we will calculate the value of Fx and F2. First I will calculate F2. F2 is equal to mg. M is 20 kg, G is 9.8, so we will get 98 into 2, which is equal to 69 to 18, 196 Newton. F2 force is. F1 force will, force of block, mass of block is 10 kg, gravitational attraction is 9.8, multiply them, 98 Newton. Now find their components along parallel and perpendicular direction. As this angle is 30 degrees, so this angle will also 30 degrees. So Fy will equal to F1 cos 30. F1 is 98 Newton. We have already calculated. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And after calculation, we can plug root 3 is equal to 1.73. 2 divided by 2. We can calculate it further. Now find the value of Fx. Fx will equal to F1 sin theta. Sin theta is 30 degree. So it will 98. What is the value of sin 30? It is 1 by 2. So we will get 49 Newton. So these are the forces. That means 49 Newton force is acting in this direction and 196 Newton force is acting in this direction. So we can see that 198 is greater than 49, so that body will move in this direction. So we got that the whole things, both block will move in clockwise direction with this way. if body will move in this direction or block moves in this direction, in that case frictional force always act in opposite direction of motion. So the direction of frictional force will opposite to direction of motion. So frictional force will act in this way. To calculate acceleration, we need to find net force. So net force F net will equal to the sum of all forces acting there. What are the forces which are acting? As we know that body is moving in clockwise direction and F2 is acting in clockwise direction. So F2 will positive and Fx and frictional force Fs will negative because they are acting opposite direction of motion. F net is, what is the force? Net force. Net force, due to this net force body will accelerate. So we can write it F net is equal to ma, mass into acceleration. What is the total mass of blocks? Total mass, because both block will move, so acceleration will act on the both block. So add the mass 10 plus 20 m into g is ma, and we need to calculate a. F is equal to ma. Total mass is 10 plus 20, 30. F2, what is the value of F2? F2 is equal to 196 minus, what is the value of Fx? Fx is 49. Fs, we need to calculate the value of Fs. Fs, the formula of Fs is, Fs is equal to, always equal to Fn into mu. What is the value of Fn? Fn will same as Fy, and we have calculated Fy is equal to 98 into 1.732 divided by 2 into, what is the value mu? Mu is given 0.25. So plug the value 0.25. Now calculate it, and after calculation we will get 20.57 Newton. So plug here 20.57 Newton. So that 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 is equal to, now add both the negative values and subtract from 196, and after calculation we will get 196 minus 20, 69.57, which will equal to 0.43, and it is 5, 6, 9, 8, 2, yeah, it will 126.43 Newton. So A will equal to 126.43 divided by 30, and after calculation we will get acceleration will equal to, divided by 3, 3 4 are 12, 0.32 are 6, 4.21 meter per second square approximately. This is the value of acceleration. Now we want to calculate tension. When we want to calculate tension, in this figure where the tensor will act, as we know that tension will act in this way,